In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo send an email, an already sent email. You can recall it back within some seconds if you want to. So assuming I have this email and I want to send it to myself, and you can see I'm just going to say testing, and then I just write testing here. Email. Okay, so assuming I send this, and once I click on send, this is going to send, and you can undo this by just coming and clicking on undo, and it is going to undo the sending. So the email is going to come back. So this is going to be done within 10 seconds because I set it up to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, then you cannot undo it. So to change the settings, you can always come to settings over here, and then you can come to see all settings, and you'll be able to see undo send from here, and you can change the timing of how much time you can take. If you can take up to 30 seconds, by the time I send this, I have up to 30 seconds to undo the sending. I can undo it up to 30 seconds, even after 29 seconds, 30 seconds. Once I click on undo, this is going to confirm the card changes. I say okay, and my mail is now back. Okay, it's now back. It's not sent to that person. So this is how you can do to alter and to unsend an already sent email or within Gmail. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.